Welcome to prestigious Governor's Hill. This beautifully renovated suite will make you swoon with its perfect layout, ravine and treetop views, 3 walkouts to a spacious balcony, and an incredible Hogs Hollow location. Come on in, let me show you Suite 704 at 3800 Yonge Street. You're welcomed with marble flooring in the foyer and hallway, a large coat closet, and a laundry room with built-ins and a full-sized washer-dryer. The living room and dining room are perfectly laid out for entertaining and feature hardwood flooring, ravine views from the dining room, custom blinds, and a walkout to the balcony from the living room. The kitchen has been fully renovated with shaker cabinets and pantries, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and your second walkout to the balcony. The spacious primary bedroom features wall-to-wall built-ins, hardwood flooring, a beautifully renovated 5-piece ensuite, 2 double closets, and your third walkout to the balcony. The second bedroom features incredible ravine views, hardwood floors, and a custom desk bed, converting from home office to guest bedroom in minutes. A large renovated main bathroom completes the space. Resort-style living, 5-star 24-hour concierge and gatehouse, incredible amenities and activities. What more could you ask for? Book your showing today.